Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos, and in today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can change your username on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple, but a little warning from me: you can only change your username only couple of times, like 3 or 4 times. If you try to change more than that, you cannot. Basically the limit is 4. If you try to cross that, you won't be able to change it. So if you still haven't crossed your limit of changing your username in Snapchat, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to change your username. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to change your username on Snapchat, first you want to click on your profile picture or like your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, it's going to take you to your Snapchat profile. Now once you're inside your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside the setting of Snapchat, the second option where it says username, you want to click on your username. Once you do that, it's going to show you your current username. And even at the top over here, it says, this is how your friends find and add you on Snapchat. You can only change your username once a year, which means if I change my username right now, I cannot change it for 1 year. So you have to make sure that if you're okay with changing your name. If you're okay with that, the little button at the bottom where it says change username, click on change username, and as you guys can see, it again warns you over here you can only change your username once a year. And remember, if you change your username and the current username which you have is taken by another person, you won't be able to access it again. So if you're okay with that, click on continue and you can change your username to anything you want. But Snapchat is going to check if that username is available or not. So this username is too long, so I cannot use it. And this username has already been taken by somebody, so I'm going to change it, and it's checking. So this username is available. So if I click on next, then I can change my username. So I'll click on next, and then it's going to ask me for the password of my account. And if I enter the password of my Snapchat and click on confirm, Snapchat will know I'm the owner of this account and it'll allow the change to happen. And like this, I can change the username of my account. So that's how you guys can change the username on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.